Da kispangot kidukot ka Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organizations haka khatlai terik jeliu kilatur kensanpuk Saskatchewan bandawa Penteri Kamar Dor ya ka inline permit ILP hadin ke jing penslam jong ke sorkar. Ka COMSO kalapen pau ba ka ILP kan jindalala ban khanglat ya ka jingja syak penyap badang syen jong turis na Indor Uraja Raghuvanshi haka thain soara. Kaladawaru na kasorkar pedeng bahkan penbor ya kasorkar jela bahkan tauno mardor ya kenhun Special Investigation Team SIT kenang ban labdien bat ban kem ya kibawan rung bean na po Bangladesh bat Myanmar. Ngi dawaban Penteri Kamar Dor ya ka ILP ha ka jela Meghalaya ong ucaman ka COMSO u badairu u Presiden ka Seng Nyotrep Youth Council HYC uba Roy Kupar Senrem habakren syakilat pathai kubor. Ulaong ba omsyam layo jing tip satya la ka Ministry of Home Affairs MHA ka pediang ne em ya karai bala menjur da ka ying dor bar tau ain ka jela ha usnem arajar khat khandai. Ha ka jingya dei bat ka e ka balaja ha kini ki khindiat sngi baladem ngi tip bakaladon ka kampen ya briu ha ka jela Meghalaya da ki ka to ka ni ki briu ki badei na ki weipat ki jela. Jendela terikam ke ILP ha kejela ki basyak keno don keti penyap ya uraja kin jendela perkhat shwa ban le ya keni ke kam pentrim ladangi don ya ke ILP ya ki jingtip ki babnia jong kini ki briu on jendela penrung ha ke register ha ke por baki wanrung sya Meghalaya ong uba senrem ula ong ru ke Meghalaya kalahap ban penlut pensep ha ke bayade berkejingwat ya ke sonam lada trekam ka ILP ngin jendela yo jingtip bakalale sya Indor hadin bakalale ya ka kam pentrim deina kata ka daw baka ILP kalong ka badan kam kenang bangin yo ya ki jingtip ki babnia jong ki briu ki barung bami na ka jela ula kedoru ba ki don bun ki khep ba ki briu ki le ya ki kam sniu hangne bat phet krat no bat ki pulit ki sa ha ka umdum namar ki don ya ki jingtip ki babnia ya ki briu ki bawan rung sya kani ka jela. Nalor kata uni uba Roy Kupar ula ong ru ba ka senjuk kaladawaru na ka sorkar jela ba ka deiban tauno mardor ya ka kenhun SIT ha baro ki district kenang ban itu bat ban penher kerat ya ki briu ki bawan rung bean na po Bangladesh bat Myanmar. Hadin ka jingja syak tombor ha Pahalgam na kalyang ka sorkar India kalapen mi ya ka jing betha ya baro ki jela bat ki Union Territory ba ha ka wei pa ka wei ka district de bandon ya ka kenhun SIT kenang ban unlap bat penpai pat ya ki to ki briu ki bawan rung bean kamtam na po Bangladesh. Ngimpat syam layo i ya ka sorkar jela bakan le AA halor kane ngim ngai satya ba omdon kinong Bangladesh ha kini kejela namar ka Meghalaya ka de kelentiyat wat ya kinong Bangladesh bakin le syaki weipat ki jela jong keri kumtangi kwa baka sorkar pedeng kan penbor ya ka sorkar jela bakan thau ya ka kenhun SIT kloy kat bala ong uno ya lam ka COMSO ngitip baki briu ki bala syak kem na Mumbai Delhi bat na baro ki Jaka ki penpau ba kalenti ka basuk tam ban yo rung sya India ka deiling ba ka Meghalaya ong uba Roy Kupar da ka bebenram ka HYC lambat ki wei ki seng bhalang kila beteng ban yo kem ya kinong Bangladesh na Meghalaya kumta kumno phila ban ong ba omdon nong Bangladesh ha Meghalaya ngi kwa ya ka sorkar jela bakan but ya ka jing betha jong ka sorkar pedeng.
We have come to protest in front of the Meghalaya Secretariat with 3 demands. The first demand is the implementation of the inner line permit system in the state of Meghalaya. Of course, this is not a new demand. The state of Meghalaya, the Legislative Assembly in the year 2019 has passed a unanimous resolution urging the union government to implement ILP in the state of Meghalaya. But that resolution is still sitting duck in the Union Home Ministry. We have not heard any we have not been made known whether the Union Home Ministry has accepted or has decided not to accept the resolution passed by the state. And in the backdrop of whatever had happened in the last few days, we know the fact that there was a murder committed in the state of Meghalaya of the person belonging from another state and committed by some persons which does not belong from the state of Meghalaya but from other state. Had ILP been implemented in the state of Meghalaya, these people, the accused in the crime or in the murder of Raja Raghuvanshi, would not have dared or would have first think before committing such a crime. Because if we have ILP, their detail would have been entered in a register while they enter the state of Meghalaya. And we would have known You know, the state of Meghalaya has spent resources. For 17 days, we have been searching for Sonam Raghuvanshi. Had ILP been implemented, we would have known for a fact that she has left for her own state after committing the crime. So that is why ILP is very necessary, so that we have the detail of the person entering the state, we have the detail of the person leaving the state, so that if they do anything in the state of Meghalaya, we would know who are those persons, and the police would be easy for them to search or to apprehend them. That is why we want, it's not just this incident. There are a lot of incidents where people from other states enter the state of Meghalaya, commits crime, and then run away from here. And the police are clueless because they don't have the details of the person who are entering the state of Meghalaya. So based on this backdrop, we want the ILP to be implemented in the state of Meghalaya. The second demand, the second issue that we have come before the Secretariat to demand is, everyone knows, on the backdrop of the Pahalgam attack, the government of India has issued directive or direction to all the states and union territories that in each district there should be a special investigation team to identify, to detect and deport all illegal immigrants, especially from Bangladesh. We have not seen that action taken by the state of Meghalaya. We don't believe that there are no Bangladeshi in the state of Meghalaya. Meghalaya being a transit route even for Bangladeshi to enter to other states. We know for a fact that the persons who have been arrested in Mumbai, in Delhi, all they are saying that, you know, the easy way to enter India is through Meghalaya. Even us, by ourselves, HYC along with other organizations, we have apprehended a lot of Bangladeshi in the state of Meghalaya. So how can you assume there are no Bangladeshi in the state of Meghalaya? We want the government of Meghalaya to follow the direction given by the Union Home Ministry. This does not involve only the safety and security of Meghalaya, it also involves the safety and security of India. Because if people from Bangladesh will enter illegally, or they will be staying illegally in the state of Meghalaya or in India, they might trigger something big. And we don't know, some other third party also may take advantage of this porous border, make people enter through Bangladesh and commits a lot of crime in the state of, in India as a whole. So this involves even the national security. So we urge the Union Home Ministry to put pressure on the Meghalaya government, to direct the Meghalaya government that SIT should be formed in each and every district. That is number two. And number three, we have a law which regulate which regulate when it comes to the migrant workers in the state of Meghalaya. We already have a law, but in the year 2024, the state government has brought amendment to that law, the Amendment Bill of 2024. In that amendment, there are two important provisions. The first provision is that a laborer, before he will get a registration card to work in the state of Meghalaya, he should produce a police verification from his own state, so that we know the antecedent of these people. Because we have had incident where a person from Assam, he entered the state of Meghalaya, he works here, he commits crime against children. But then during investigation, it was found that that same person has committed the similar crime in his own state. So had police verification been done, we could have prevented that crime that was committed against our sister, against our fellow Meghalayan. So that is an important provision. The second one is that those who violate the provision of the Workers Act, especially the employers, there will be a fine of 1 lakh rupees, so that it creates that deterrent. These employers, particularly in the cement factories in Jaintia Hills or in others mining operations, or the people who are involved in road construction, they bring people from outside because it's for cheap labor, it's because of other convenience, but then they don't know the antecedent of these people. So we want to create deterrent that these people, if they enter the state, there should be a police verification.